Okay, sir. Let's start with the day 1 class. Okay. The batch starts from the today, day 1. First. So I'm going to take first manual testing. Okay. Manual testing course. Entire manual testing course I will take from today. Okay. From basics I will teach you. Okay. So see here. What is software actually? What is software? What is software? Yes. What is software? Software means what actually? WhatsApp is one of the software, right? WhatsApp application is one of the software. Yes. Instagram is one of the software. Instagram application is one of the software. Yes. Flipkart is one of the software application. Amazon is one of the software application, right? Ola is one of the software application. Redbus is one of the software application. Okay. Mintra is one of the software application. Amazon. Okay. So these are what? These are the software applications, right? These are the software applications. So these software applications are used to developed by the developers. How they will develop? A set of executable programming language. Okay. How they will develop? Who will develop these software applications? For example, Flipkart application, WhatsApp application, Instagram application. Okay. Who will develop these software applications? Developers will develop these software applications, right? Who will develop these applications? Developers will develop the software application. Yes. So how they will develop? How they will develop? A set of executable programming language. Okay. A set of executable programming language or software application, that is called software. Clear? What is software? A set of executable programming language. If any interviewer asked about what is software, so we should tell like this: a set of executable programming language or software application. Okay. That is called software. Clear? How they will develop? The developers. So developers will use this programming language. Okay, like Java, Python, C Sharp, SQL. Okay, whatever it is there. Okay, whatever the program language is there. So developers will use that programming language to develop the software application, right? Yes. So if any interviewer asked about what is software means, we should tell like this: a set of executable programming language or software application, that is called software. Clear about this software? Next, what is testing? So actually what is testing? Testing means what? Testing means what? Find out the defects in the software application. Okay. Testing means what? Find out the defects in the software application, that is called testing. So developers will develop the software application, right? Who will develop? Developers will develop the software application. So after developing the software applications, testers should test the software application to find out the defects. Clear? After developing the software application, testers should test the software application, okay, to find out the defects in that software application. That is called testing. Clear? What is testing? Find out the defects in the software application, that is called testing. Clear? What is testing? Yes. So see next, what is software testing? Okay, what is software testing? See, a process of executing an application. Okay, a process of executing an application to find out the defects in the software application. Okay, a process of executing an application to find out the defects in the software application, that is called software testing. Clear? So this is the definition. What is software testing means? We should tell like this: a process of executing an application to find out the defects in the software application, that is called software testing. Or one more definition is there, see here: testing the functionality of an application. Okay, testing the functionality of an application with respect to the given requirement. Okay, testing the functionality of an application. So what is mean by functionality? So functionality means what? For example, see, WhatsApp application is there. Okay, WhatsApp application is there. So for what purpose we are using the WhatsApp application? Tell me, what, for what purpose we are using the WhatsApp application? For sending the messages, right? For sending the messages, yes, communication purpose. Yes, communication purpose we are using the WhatsApp, right? For sending the messages, for status purpose we are using the WhatsApp, right? For voice call purpose we are using the WhatsApp. For video call purpose we are using the WhatsApp, right? So this is called functionality. Clear what is mean by functionality? Functionality means for what purpose we are using that software application, that is called functionality. Okay, for example, Flipkart application is there. Okay, for what purpose we are using the Flipkart application? Yes, tell me. Flipkart application is there. Okay, Flipkart or Amazon application is there. Yes, for shopping purpose, for orders purpose. Yes, correct. For shopping purpose, right? Yes, for placing orders. Yes, correct. For shopping purpose we are using the that application, right? So that is called functionality. For what purpose we are using that application, that is called functionality. Clear? So testing the functionality of an application with respect to the given requirement. Okay, given requirement means client requirement. Okay, client requirement. So we have to test the software application based on the functionality and based on the client requirement, that is called software testing. Clear what is software testing? Yes. So see, next, history of software testing. Okay, how the history is formed means how the software testing is formed. See here, let's see now history of software testing. So see here, before 2001, okay, before 2001 there is no separate testing team. Okay, see here, there was no separate testing team for testers. Okay, testing team for testers only developer. See here, only developers used to develop application, okay, and also test the application. Clear? Before 2001 there was no separate testing team, only developers is used to develop the application and also test the application and send it to clients. So here only one person, right? Only one person doing two jobs, right? Developing the application and testing the application. So at the same time, we see here, if the same time we are doing developers, same persons we are doing the developers and developers work, and same person doing the testers works means, see, so what happened means 70% of the applications getting failed in that scenario. Why? Because see, for example, if I am developing an application, okay, if I am developing the application and testing the application, so my mistakes will not visible to me, right? Whenever I am developing, so whenever I have developed the application, so after developing I am testing the same application. So what I will think that, see, I have only developed the application, right? So I have only developed the application, so 100% is correct, no need of testing. So in that case my mind will work, right? So in that case what happens, see, 70% of the applications getting failed because only one person doing two jobs here. developing the application and also testing the application before 2001. So at that time 70% of the applications getting failed. Okay, so at that time all the companies CEO and CTO conducted a meeting and met SEI. What is SEI? Software Engineer Institute. Okay, SEI means Software Engineer Institute. So in this meeting they all discuss there should be a separate team for testing also. Okay, in that meeting they all CEOs CTOs and conducted a meeting. So in that meeting they all discussed about, so because 70% of the applications getting failed because one person is doing two jobs, right? Developing the application and also testing the application before 2001. Okay, so at that time the meeting will be conducted. In that meeting all they will discuss there should be a separate team for testing. So after 2001, so before 2001, from starting 2001 testing team has found. Okay, so this is the history of software testing. Clear how the history become the software testing, software tester? Next, see why testing is important. Okay, so why testing is important? Tell me anyone why testing is important. See why testing is important means, see, yes, errors will be there, yes. So for that purpose we have to do testing, correct? So see here, yes, find out the bugs, correct? For that purpose we have to do testing compulsory. Yes, to make sure that software works perfectly, yes, correct. Yes, all of the answers are correct. Okay, so why testing is important means, see, to find out the defects in the software application. Okay, to find out the defects in the software application, testing is important. Clear? To find out the defects in the software application, testing is important. So see here, developers are used to develop the software application, right? So developers are used to develop the software application. For example, WhatsApp, Facebook, any application. Okay, you can take any application. So after developing the application, if there is no testing means end users may find lot of defect, right? If there is no testing means end users may find lot of defects. Okay, so what is mean by end users means, see, we are the end users. Okay, who will use the software application, who will use that software application, those people are called end users. Okay, so we are using WhatsApp application and we are using Facebook application. Okay, we are using Instagram application. Okay, so many applications we are using in our day to day life, right? Daily life. So we are the end users of that software application. Okay, who are called end users? Who are using that software application, those people are called end users. Okay, who will use that software application, those people are called end users. So we are the end users, right? So if there is no testing means end users may find lot of defects, right? While using the application they will find a lot of problems, right? See here, if there is no testing means a lot of applications may get failed. Clear, right? Correct, right? So in order to avoid that, testing is important. Okay, in order to avoid that, testing is important. So for example, let's take an example of PhonePe app. Okay, let's take an example of PhonePe app. So in PhonePe app, see, so I have sent to one person a 50 rupees to one person. Okay, so I have sent 50 rupees to one person, but in message it will be visible like you transferred 100 rupees successfully. Okay, so this is one of the defect, right? Is it the defect or not? Yes, this is a defect, right? So in order to avoid those defects, okay, in order to avoid those defects, we have to means testing is important. Okay, in order to avoid those defects, testing is important. So that's why testing is mandatory for any software application. Okay, you can take any application, testing is mandatory, because yes, it's necessary. Testing is necessary, important for any application. Okay, yes. Next, manual testing. So what is mean by manual testing? Manual testing means what? See here. Yes, by humans, correct. Manual testing by humans. See the definition. Testing an application with human efforts. Okay, testing an application with human efforts. No tools is used. Okay, no tools is used. That is called a manual testing. Clear? Manual testing means what? Testing an application with human efforts. No tools is used. That is called a manual testing. Okay, for example, washing our clothes with hands. Okay, so manually we are using our hands, right? Manually we are using our hands for washing the clothes, right? Manually we are using our hands to wash the clothes, right? So here manually human efforts is takes place. Hands is manually, right? Human efforts is takes place. So that is called a manual testing. No tools is used in this manual testing. Okay, see next, automation testing. So what is mean by automation testing? See here, testing an application with the help of tools like Selenium. Okay, Tosco tool will be there, Selenium tool will be there. Okay, Visual Studio tool will be there. Okay, so many tools will be there, etc. Tools will be there for the automation. Okay, but most of the tool will use the all companies is that is Selenium only, because Selenium is a open source tool, free of cost tool. Selenium is free of cost tool. Okay, that's why most of the companies, all the companies will use Selenium only. Okay, so testing an application with the help of tools like Selenium, etc. tools will be there. Okay, that is called automation testing. Clear? Examples here, washing our clothes with washing machine. Washing machine is one of the automation tool, right? Right? Washing machine is one of the automation tool. So we are using washing machine as a tool for washing our clothes, right? We are using washing machine as a tool washing our clothes, right? At the same way, when we are using tools, okay, when we are using these tools for testing purpose, okay, when we are using tool to test the software application, so that is called automation testing. Clear the difference between manual testing and automation testing? Okay, next, see next, product versus project based applications. Okay, what is mean by product versus project based application? What is mean by product actually? What is mean by project? See now, see what is mean by project. First I will explain about the project based applications. Okay, so the software application is of two types. Basically it is of two types, project based applications and product based applications. Okay, first I will explain the project based applications. Okay, so project based application is, it is developed for specific customer. Okay, for example banking applications. Okay, so you can take any banking applications like SBI, HDFC, okay, ICICI, any banking application. You can take any banking application. Okay, so SBI application is there. So in that application only our data will be visible, right? Only one person can log in that application. Okay, only we can see our statements and we can see our saving account number only. Okay, our balance, our statements. Okay, our data only visible, right? Our data will be able to see, right? So only one person can log in. No other person details will not be visible in the banking application. Only our data will be visible. Our credit card statements, our bank account statements, okay, our account number, whatever the balance is there, our statements, okay, our IFSC code, okay, everything is belongs to ours only, right? Only one person details able to see in this banking application, right? No other person details should not be visible in the banking application, right? Only our data and our details will be visible. So this type of applications, this type of software applications is called project based applications. Clear? Only our data will be visible. That type of applications is called project based applications. Clear? Next, product based application. See here, see, it is developed for entire market. Okay, multiple users will use in this application. It is developed for product based applications, is developed for entire market. Multiple users will use. Okay, for example, like Flipkart application, Amazon application, okay, Facebook application, etc, etc, applications will be there, right? So take Instagram application. Okay, take Instagram application. So in Instagram application other persons profiles will be visible, right? Other persons profiles will be visible, right? We can chat with the others, right? We can see other persons data also. We can see other person details will be visible, right? So multiple users will use, right? So this type of software applications is called product based applications. You can take, I will explain the another example also. You can take this Flipkart application. Okay, Flipkart application is there, or you can take Amazon application also. Okay, if you order one product in the Amazon or Flipkart application, so in that we can track the status, right? So the item is where it reached or not, okay, on which day the item will be delivered, and also same time the delivery person able to see, right? The delivery person also able to see this status, right? They can also, yes, the delivery person is able to see, right? They can also see the details, our details, like our name and our mobile number and what is the product is, right? So our data is also visible, right? So this type of applications is called product based applications. Clear the difference between project based applications and product based applications?